I am loving my Stan Store, so I'm going to show it to you. And in my opinion, I'm going to share with you why you should be using it too. Here's my back office to my Stan Store. I thought it was really easy to set up. I actually started out on the 14-day free trial and I bumped it up to the $29 a month. I got a little bit of a discount because I paid for the full year, which was $300. So let's dive in. If you come over here to this button, My Store, this is where you're going to set everything up. And what I loved about it is you can actually edit the design and customize it to you. So you have all these different themes that you can choose from and colors that you can choose from. So you can actually choose something really close to your brand colors. If you click back over here on the sections, this is where you're going to edit. So depending on what theme you choose, depends on how your store is going to look. And as you are editing your store, you're going to see it live over here. In my sales funnel, I added my sales funnel from System.io. I also added my digital guide that I created, and you can price it at any price you want. I also added my email marketing business. I added a discovery call, and I also added a Zoom. And this here, I do some coaching, and I also help people with their sales funnel, building it or editing it. I also added my affiliate links for System.io, my Stan Store, and my Repurpose.io. Here's a quick example of how you can edit it. So each one of these icons, you can add your TikTok link, your email, YouTube, Facebook, and IG. Each time you click on one of these, so this little dot here, these dots, you can actually move these up and down. So if you wanted to place this under here, you just grab it and just bring it down, or vice versa. If you want to edit this, so my sales funnel is already done, right? So I can come in here and I can pick my thumbnail. I can choose a button. I can choose where it's like a bigger box, as you can see here. And then I uploaded an image. You can pick whichever image you want. You can add text. You can add your subtitles. You can add what your button is saying. And then once all that is in, you want to make sure you come back up here to the top and you want to add your URL link to your sales funnel. And then once you do that, you hit publish here and then you get to view it right here. So guys, I think Stan Store is amazing. I think the presentation of it is really, really pretty. So if you would like to try it out, I do have my 14-day trial affiliate link in here. So check it out. Let me know what you think.